Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm with my buddy SweetCake7676 here, and right now I'm gonna do second mail time, so let's get on with it. Alright, so I asked people to send me gifts, and I got into a fight and with this person, and it's not really working out. So, yeah, and she doesn't know I'm recording. Yeah. She sent me gifts. She helped out, which is pretty good. Like, she's one of my good buddies. Yeah. I mentioned. Yeah. Now let's get on to the mail time mailbox. So I never opened them yet, so let's see. Ooh, panda hat, thank you. Do not open until mailbox time. What did she say in there? Oh, I love your outfit. Wow, thank you. I like it too. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. OMG. OMG. TYSM. Yeah, by the way, Camilla Cardinal 79, I left the script for my next video in the car, so I won't be able to film, because I already went shopping and I forgot about it. So, yeah. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna pretend this is a chair, alright? Just dancing. On my chair table. What did she say? You should do Forgotten Desert walkthrough. I did a few times today. Oops. So, yeah. I'm awesome. No, I am. Okay. So I apologize, Camilla Cardinal 79, but I hope you enjoy this video and my other speed paints. By the way, I am collecting masterpieces, so if any of you Animal Jam tubers watch my video right now and you have masterpiece that's unwanted, please send me them, or just I don't know. Yeah, just send me unwanted stuff or masterpieces. So, yeah. Alright. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also subscribe to Leaping Smarty Boo or SweetCake76. She also has a channel. Just search up SweetCake7676AJ. No, I'm not. So, please go subscribe to SweetCake76, and, yeah. Oh, yeah. And I'm just showing you, quickly what my masterpieces are like. Okay, I'll see. Alright, so, by the way, what is this no, not that one. What's this masterpiece worth? It's a masterpiece. What's this masterpiece worth? It's pretty good. So, yeah. You can edit yourself, but if you want me to come, sure! And it now. Yeah. Alright, so she said bye. See ya. Okay. So, goodbye.